Hi, I'm Don Skaggs,
Hi, I'm Leo York.
and we're at the National Farm Machinery Show. All right, hey, it's Don Skaggs. I'm here at the National Farm Machinery Show at our new innovations area. We've got Jay Thomason. He's here with Ready Flame. Tree of the Fields, actually, the name of the company.
Correct, out of Berea.
And tell us a little bit about what it is that you all have.
Well, we have quite an assortment of items. Our main product is the skeeter log, which is a hardwood, a compressed reclaimed wood insect repellent that you burn. Does a fantastic job. It's infused with 8 different essential oils to keep mosquitoes and pests at bay.
So you want to keep the mosquitoes out of the way, no chemicals. You just put that in, and you're
Non-toxic,
good to go.
good to go.
All right, fantastic. And then you've also got fire starters.
Great fire starters. Great job in getting your fire started. Quick light.
Wow. And that's all right in Eastern Kentucky.
Correct. These are made over in Harborville.
All right. Fantastic.
Yeah. How many trucks down that parking lot have this on the back of it? Yeah. And why does a farmer have this on the back of his truck? Because he has everything on there, and it's one size fits all for everything, and you don't have to go get a pipe wrench and a cutting torch to get it off, right? You know what I'm talking about because you've done it, right? But what can you not hook up to this? A wagon. You put that on there. The Shin Buster 3000.
Boy, ain't it.